So, welcome to again the PYQ series of biology. Today, we'll discuss all the questions of ecosystem and energy flow. So, let us start here with the first question. Read the question carefully. Dash is the example. Dash is an example of artificial ecosystem. So, what are the options given here? Forest, then pond, then sea, and aquarium. So, dear students, for getting the correct answer here, for all this miscellaneous topic, you are supposed to read the textbook word to word. And remember, for CET, reading the textbook word to word, again I'm repeating, is very, very important so that you will get the correct answer here. So, what is the correct answer for question number 1? So aquarium is the example of the artificial ecosystem. Okay, so you can record here. You can take the answer very perfectly here. Okay, remember perfectly and note down all the answers in your notebook. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Next question. Read the question carefully. Following components of the ecosystem are all linked to the functions as an ecosystem unit except. So, what should be your correct answer? Read the options carefully. Productivity, decomposition, stratification, and energy flow. Okay, so what will be the things here? Okay, except they are asking you. So, your correct answer here is energy flow. Okay, following components of the ecosystem are all linked to the function as an ecosystem unit. So except what here, all these are there. Okay, so this is only exception here, right? So energy flow is the correct answer. Next, recycling of the materials. Recycling of the materials, which one of the following group is the most important? Producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and decomposers. So for recycling of the material, you always need what here? Decomposers, right? So D is the correct answer here. Next, which one of the following process is carried out by the earthworm during the decomposition of the detritus? Okay, so what are the options given here? Options given are leaching, okay, catabolism, fragmentation, and mineralization. So whenever the earthworm is concerned here, you have the basic process here, and that is nothing but fragmentation. Okay, so dear students, note down that C is the correct answer here, right? Next, choose the correct example of the detrivore given below. So, insect, then cockroach, earthworm, and zooplankton. So, you know that earthworm is the ideal example for this. Note down, very, very easy. Okay, very simple. Next, which one of the following is the final step in the process of decomposition of an ecosystem? Fragmentation, leaching, catabolism, and mineralization. So, what should be your correct answer here? It is mineralization. Okay, this is giving you the very, very important process. It is the very important part for the process of decomposition, mineralization. Okay, so students, note down that D is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Question number 7. The breakdown of complex organic matter into inorganic substances is carried out by decomposers, then herbivores, then carnivores, and omnivores. So, what should be your correct answer? Of course, you are getting what here? The correct answer is decomposers. Okay, note down. A is the correct answer here. Very, very simple questions. Okay, you know that for miscellaneous, nothing is difficult to score. Okay, so fungi and bacteria are located at the bottom of a pond water. Ecosystem plays the role of producers, decomposers, primary consumers, and secondary consumers. So of course here is also you are getting the great role of what here, decomposers. So on that basis you can remember that how much is the importance of the decomposers here in our ecosystem. Got it? Next, select the group, okay, of the correct statement related with the process of decomposition. So breakdown of the detritus into CO2, water and nutrients is called as decomposition, okay, which is the second one, that degradation of the humus by microbes to release the inorganic nutrients is called as humification. Decomposition is facilitated by low temperature and anaerobic condition of the soil. The process of leaching involves percolation of soluble inorganic nutrients into soil horizon in the form of precipitate. Okay? The correct order of decomposition involves the fragmentation, leaching, catabolism, humification and mineralization. So amongst these one, which will be the correct answer here? So what are the different combinations they have given here? So B is your correct answer. First, fourth and fifth. Okay, first, then fourth and fifth one. Okay, remember the correct statements here, right? So what should be your correct answer here? B is the correct answer. Note down. For question number 9, B is the correct answer. Okay, next. Detritus food chain begins with dash. Dead and organic matter, then living plants, soil bacteria and living animals. Okay, so what should be correct answer? Dead and organic matter. Of course, the detritus food chain begins with dead organic matter. Remember, make a star for this. Very important here. Okay, next. In an ecosystem, if the amount of energy is producers is 1000 joules here, how much energy will be transferred to the herbivorous and carnivorous respectively? So your correct answer here is 100 joule and 10 joule. Okay, so please refer the pyramid in your textbook. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Next question. Sun is the only source of energy for all the ecosystems on the earth except for. So what should be the thing here? That deep sea ecosystem. Okay. B is the correct answer. Very important part. Remember this. Note down that for question number 12, B is the correct answer here. Then for next question, question number 13, in the energy flow diagram of an ecosystem, the flow of energy to the herbivorous is from, what are the options given here? Sunlight, carnivorous, producers and top carnivores. So your correct answer is of course producers. You know that producers are the first in your food chain, okay, of the ecosystem. Question number 14. Photosynthetically active radiations, PAR, forms dash percentage of the total incident energy, total incident solar radiation. So your correct answer is less than 50. Okay, you can check the information in your textbook. That is why I'm telling you to read the textbook word to word. Okay, so what is the correct answer here? A is the correct answer. Next, given below are the two statements. Statement number 1. Read statement number 1. The amount of energy available in the ecosystem increases at each successive trophic level. And statement number 2. What is statement number 2? That is statement that is transfer of energy from one trophic level to the another follows 10% law. So students, see both the statement and choose the correct one and choose the things here very perfectly. Okay, so think here and give the correct answer. So statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is incorrect and this is correct. Okay, so you should be having complete knowledge about the ecosystem, how your ecosystem is operated, and also that you can give all the correct statements. Okay, next. Following are the limitations of the ecological pyramid except number one, it does not accommodate the food web. It shows the relationship between the organism of the trophic level. It assumes a simple food chain that never existed. Saprobes are not given in any place. Okay, so what are the things here? B is the correct option. It shows the relationship between organism and the trophic level, of course. Okay, very, very clear. So B is the correct answer. Next, if we draw the graphical representation of the relationship between number of parasites on small birds feeding on insect on a tree, which of the following pyramid will be inverted? Pyramid of biomass, then second is pyramid of numbers, pyramid of age, and pyramid of energy. So of course, pyramid of numbers. Okay, note down for question number 17, B is the correct answer. Okay, next. Following criteria are used for the construction of ecological pyramids except. So, dry weight, live weight, number of individuals, and rate of flow of energy. So, what should be your correct answer? That is, you want to have this, that is live weight. Okay, except. Next. Which one of the following is an example of inverted ecological pyramid? Energy pyramid of grassland, then pyramid of numbers in ocean ecosystem, pyramid of biomass in ocean, and pyramid of energy in ocean. So C is the correct answer, pyramid of the biomass in the ocean. This will be the example of inverted ecological pyramid. Okay, please note down the answer 19C. Okay, next for 20. Generally, which of the following has the largest population in the food chain? Producers, primary consumers, secondary and tertiary. So students, very, very easy. Of course, producers are the at the highest level. You know this very well. Okay, next. Read the statement carefully. Read the statement. What is statement number 1? See the statement number 1. Smaller food chain, more is the available energy at each trophic level. And pyramid of energy can also sometimes inverted. So what do you think here? 21. 21 is C. That is statement 1 is correct. Okay, more available energy at each trophic level, very correct. And this is incorrect. Got it? So what should be your answer here? C is the correct answer. Student, note down all the answers perfectly. Very, very easy. Got it? Next. Next, statement number 1. The long-term storage places like sediments and oceanic water are termed as sinks. Statement number 2. Human activities like fossil fuel burning and deforestation have affected the global carbon cycle. So, what are the things here? What is the correct statement here? So, you have both these statements are what here? Correct. Okay. So, what should be your answer? A is your correct answer. Okay, A is the correct answer. Next, 23. Mention the human activities that significantly influence the carbon cycle. Deforestation, afforestation, then burning of fossil fuel, deforestation, etc., etc. So, deforestation and burning of fossil fuel, very, very important role in the carbon cycle. In your textbook, you just go through the carbon cycle so that you will come to know how much is the importance here for the burning of fossil fuel and deforestation for getting the carbon cycle run at the easiest way. Okay, next. In hydraulic succession, The red swamp stage comes immediately after dash. Free floating plants, scrub, then phytoplanktons and rooted submerged plant. So A is the correct answer. You know that in the what here hydrax succession, free floating plants have very great importance here. Okay, next. Following changes occurs during the successive several stages of the ecological succession except. Students, please read the information about succession very perfectly from your textbook, and one question is compulsory every time on succession. Remember this. So succession is going to be a very important question over here. Change in the diversity of the species, decrease in the total biomass, increase in the total biomass, and increase in the number of species and organism. So your answer here is correct. Okay, so I'm sorry, here B is your correct answer, that it will give you decrease. I'm sorry, it will not give you increase, it will give you the decrease in the biomass, right? So B is the correct answer. Next. The amount of dash determines the pattern of ecological succession in the given area. Soil, water, light, and minerals. So, what should be your correct answer? Of course, amount of water, right? Because water is an essential part here in the ecosystem, in your food chain, in your food web, and even in succession as well. So, water is the very important part as a universal solvent also. Okay, question number 27. Which one of the following is an example of primary succession? See here, forest ecosystem after the forest fire, then reforestation after deforestation, pond ecosystem in the newly formed pond, and succession after the flooding. So which should be your correct answer here? Pond ecosystem in newly formed pond. This will be the ideal example of primary succession. Note down the answer. C is the correct answer. The correct order of succession in Xeroseri is dash. Okay, that is, you just read all the things here, all the options here. Herbivorous to briar to crustaceous to shrubs. Crustaceous lichen to bryophytes to herbivorous to forest community. Shrubs to bryophytes to herbivorous to forest community. Then forest community to shrubs to herbivorous to bryophyte to crustaceous lichens. Okay, so what should be your answer? B is the correct answer here. Okay, this will be the correct sequence here. That crustaceous lichen to bryophytes to herbivorous to forest community. Please remember, B is the correct answer here. Okay, next. Question number 29. Which of the following statement is correct in secondary succession? So remember, they are asking you questions on all primary succession, secondary succession, etc. Okay, so let us see what are the options given here. It occurs on deforested site. It does not depend on conditions of soil and availability of water. It is similar to primary succession except it occurs relatively at the slower rate, and it occurs in an area where biotic community is already present. Okay, so what should be your correct answer? Your correct answer is D. It occurs in the area where biotic community is present. Okay, D is the correct answer for secondary succession. It will occur where area is having the biotic community which is already present. Then only you will get the secondary succession. Got it? Next. 30. Which of the following is incorrect about the secondary ecological succession? Number 1, weathering of the rocks and soil formation takes place. Then seeds of other propagules are present. Then a rate of succession is faster and climax is reached quickly. So what do you think here? What should be your correct answer? Weathering of the rocks and soil formation takes place. So this is incorrect. Rest of these are correct. Remember, okay, and note down. Now match the following. Read the question, read column number 1 and read column number 2. See here, what is given in column number 1? What is given in column number 1? Phytoplanktons, Hydrilla, Pistia, Typha. All the plants which are aquatic, those are mentioned in column number 1. Red swamp, free floating plant, pioneer species, and rooted submerged plant. So what do you think here? So here you have B is the correct answer. A will give you phytoplanktons are pioneer species, Hydrilla is rooted submerged plant, then Pistia is giving you free floating, and Typha is a red swamp. Got it? So what should be your correct answer? B is the correct answer. Students, please note down very perfectly all the match the following. Sometimes a single part may be confusing for you people in match the following, right? So please mention all the things very correctly here. Next, question number 32. Scrub stage in hydrax succession comes immediately after dash state. Pioneer, climax forest, then marsh meadow, and submerged and free floating plants. So what do you think here? It will be climax forest. Okay, so hydrax succession. Remember this very perfectly. Okay, now read the statements correctly here and state which is incorrect. So number 1 is there is a change in diversity of the species. There is an increased number of species. Population of the species always increase. Time is a crucial factor. Then certain species may disappear. Select the correct option. So students, think and tell me what is correct here, right? So second and third, right? Species, population of the species, of course it will increase, right? So second and third, B is the correct answer. Next, weathering of the rocks in xerac succession. You know the xerac succession in desert area is carried out due to oversecretion of the acid by moss, grass, trees, and lichens. So what should be your correct answer? Of course, lichens. Lichens are responsible here. Okay, so mention it perfectly. Now, given statement, what is statement number 1? Statement number 1 is species composition of an area is environmentally regulated. Primary ecological succession is a rapid process. So what should be the correct and what should be the incorrect? Let us find out this one. So think on the options very perfectly. So statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. It's not a rapid process. It takes some time, right? So it is incorrect here. Next, 36, which of the following succession will occur after the severe forest fire? Primary succession, secondary succession, negative succession, and hydrax succession. So what do you think here? Of course, secondary succession. You know, secondary succession is very, very important here. Okay, so B is the correct answer. Next, lichens are phytoplanktons represent dash community in dash and dash succession respectively. So number 1, pioneer, xerac, hydrac. Then we have pioneer, hydrac, and xerac. Intermediate, xerac, and hydrac. So what do you think here? Pioneer, xerac, and hydrac. Lichens and phytoplanktons represent pioneer community in xerac and in hydrax succession. This is what the correct statement. Okay, next. Read the statement now carefully. Statement number 1. What is statement number 1? The climax community in all the succession proceeds to the Mesic condition. Statement number 2, that establishment of new biotic community in primary succession is very fast. So what do you think here? What should be the correct one? See here, for 38, we have C is the correct answer. That statement number 1 is correct. This is wrong. Okay, note down what are wrong, what are correct. Okay, so you should be able to sort out all the correct and incorrect parts here. Question number 39. Which of the following would appear as a pioneer organism on the bare rocks here? then crustose lichen, bryophytes, pteridophytes, and trees here. So of course we have this lichens are playing very very important role, as they are secreting the acid. They are going to be the pioneers here. They are going to be the very important part here in the succession process. Got it? Next, 40, that is time is a crucial factor for, that is ecological succession, then stratification, then we have zonation and eutrophication. So students, please tell me what is that? Of course, ecological succession. Okay, time is a very crucial factor. You know, in every ecosystem, every succession and all, time is very important. Okay, next, and you should know all the definition. Eutrophication, these are very very basic one, means you should do all these things by heart. Okay, next, which of the following is not regulating the service of the ecosystem? Pest control, predation and prey relationship, habitat provision and detoxification. So habitat provision. Okay, C is your correct answer here, right? Next. Okay, now match the following. See what is given in column number 1. Read column number 1 carefully. What is column number 1? Column number 1 will give you supporting services, provisional services, provising services, regulating services, cultural, pest control, recreational experiences, genetic resources, and pollination. So what do you think here? 42B is the correct answer. For 1, D. Okay, for 2, C. Then for 3, we have A, pest control, and cultural will give you the B1. So students, please match the following very, very correctly. A single thing may give you lots of confusing things here, right? So this is the correct one. And the last here is, which of the ecosystem service is necessary for crop production and fruit formation? Photosynthesis, pest control, then therapeutics, then pollination. So obviously you need here is pollination. Yes or no? For the proper crop production, fruit formation, you need the proper pollination process. So students, this is all for the topic ecosystem and energy flow, and hope so you will do well. Again and again I'm telling you, please go through the textbook, stick to the textbook, lines to lines to lines, and get it done very properly and perfectly, so that you should not lose a single mark over here, because it's very easy. All these topics are miscellaneous topic and questions are compulsory from these topics. So don't ignore this topic. Many of the students, what they do, they ignore the miscellaneous topics. So it's not like that. If you are ignoring, you will not get the marks here. So for getting the out of marks, it is must to do all the miscellaneous topic. Got it? So all the best.